In this question, you have to identify the state or the phase in which growth occurs maximally. Option A, senescence. Now, this is incorrect. Now, senescence refers to the aging process when growth slows down or may cease altogether. Option B, dormancy. It is also incorrect. Dormancy is a period in which growth metabolism completely slows down or may stop altogether. Option C, log phase. The log phase or the exponential phase is the period or the phase of maximum growth in population or organism. As cells divide and grow at their fastest rate during this phase under optimal conditions. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, lag phase. It is also incorrect. The lag phase is the initial phase where cells or organisms are adjusting to new conditions and therefore very little growth or no growth occurs at all